Write 4 twos. Draw a line. Write C on top of 2. Make lines. Being like eyes and pecs. Write W. Write B. Birds on branch are finished. You can also try it out.